Here's how to do a hip raise hodge butt lift properly. Muscles worked. Glutes primary. Hamstrings. Core. Lower back stabilizers. 1. Starting position. Lie on your back on a mat. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Arms rest at your sides, palms facing down. Heels should be about a hand length away from your glutes. 2. Lift. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Avoid arching your lower back. Focus on using your glutes, not your spine. 3. Pause. Hold at the top for 1 to 3 seconds while squeezing your glutes. 4. Lower. Lower your hips back down slowly to the floor, but don't fully rest to keep some tension. Beginner, 2-3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Intermediate, 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Hold the last rep at the top for a 10-second. Isometric squeeze for added burn. Don't push with your lower back. Focus on glute engagement. Keep your knees in line with your hips and feet. Don't let them fall outward or inward. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Variations. Single leg hip raise, lift one leg while bridging. Feet elevated on bench, increased range of motion. Add weight, rest a dumbbell, barbell across hips. Resistance band glute bridge, band above knees for extra glute activation. Please check my next video.